Alice is here.
And we're gonna let you in
On the secret!
Hi everyone, the deadline time is coming. I bet you are starting to review lessons and start doing your assignment. So I'm your host of this episode today, and I will review you some tips to get high marks by utilizing database.
Academic database is a collection of information that students are encouraged to use for writing and research to make them more credible. When it comes to doing assignment, BUVers usually go to 6 globally precious databases from publishers: Euromonitor, Emerald, ProQuest, FedReaders, and EBSCO. These resources have all gone through the trial process and received positive feedback from both students and teachers, so now I will let you go through 6 databases.
To access, click on Academic Databases in the dashboard of Canvas. You will see links to 5 databases and the site in instructions for each one. So please read carefully, and remember that you can only enter to this website via BUV elements. The academic search ultimate by school, it is a place where you can find many journals and other footing data in all fields. The Emerald Insights provide access to management journals, ebooks, and case studies that many students from marketing and business majors really should take advantage of. The Euromonitor provides access to strategic market research, and you can get data and analysis of patents of products and services globally format. The ProQuest platform provides hundreds of new text and abstract indices collections. It holds many content containing scholarly journals, books, video and audio, dissertations, studies, newspapers, and more. And the press reader offers access to more than 7,000 articles and newspapers. For example, some Vietnamese newspapers, the Wall Street Journal, Forbes, Book.
However, it is not the end. Students also have access to our partnership university libraries, which are Staffordshire University and University of London.
For majors awarded by Staffordshire University, you will be given an account to access any library like it. There are 26 databases for overseas partnership access. Many interesting available databases for you. For example, Statista, LinkedIn Learning, and ScienceDirect. These accounts will be available from Year 1 semesters 2, so please check your email carefully to get the account and see the instructions from Learning Resource Center.
As a business student, I have to research information about various companies and industries all over the world. These databases really make it a lot handier and more accessible. To me, Emerald is my top of my database since it provides almost everything I need, including journals and case studies. So I highly recommend it to you guys.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Cho from LRC. I hope now you are more confident with your research. You can find all the information about academic databases and guidelines in your student resources course on Canvas. Don't forget to share with us your experience with the current databases via the course feedback form at the end of each semester. Or if you have any questions, you can always contact us via email or meet us directly at LRC. We appreciate all of your comments. They will help us a lot in improving your database experience. Remember, use the databases wisely. Ace the assignment with ease. Good luck.
If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and leave down below comment if you have any questions. See you next episode.